How to fix your washing machine smell sour is a common issue many people face, and it can be caused by a buildup of detergent residue, fabric softener, and debris. The first step is to identify the source of the smell. Check the gasket and seals for any visible signs of mold or mildew. Next, run a cleaning cycle with a washing machine cleaner or a cup of white vinegar to help break down and remove any residue. If your washing machine does not have a cleaning cycle, set it to the hottest temperature and largest load size. After running the cleaning cycle, leave the washing machine door open to allow it to dry completely. This will help prevent any moisture from accumulating and causing further mold and mildew growth. To prevent future odors, it is essential to regularly clean your washing machine. Run a cleaning cycle every 1 to 2 months, depending on how often you use your washing machine. Additionally, always leave the washing machine door open after use and avoid using too much detergent, as this can contribute to residue buildup. It is also a good idea to check and clean the drain pump filter regularly, as a clogged filter can cause bad smells. By following these steps and tips, you can eliminate the sour smell from your washing machine and keep it running efficiently and effectively. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future odors and keeping your washing machine in good condition.